Hi everyone, let's solve Leetcode question 12.1, best time to buy and sell stock. In this problem you need to find 2 days to buy and sell a stock in order to maximize the profit. The day you're selling the stock must be after the day you bought the stock. If there's no profit to be made, return 0. In the first example, the optimal strategy is to buy on the second day and sell on day 5. You will end up with a total of 5 as the profit. There's also a sample calculation. The algorithm is to find the number pair which returns the maximum difference. In this case, you subtract 1 from 6. The shortcut to just take the lowest number in the array and subtract it from the highest is not correct. In example 1, subtracting 1 from 7 means that you buy on day 2 and sell on the first day, which is impossible, because you must buy before you sell. Nevertheless, a highest and lowest number is needed to calculate the maximum profit. A for loop starts at the leftmost element working towards the rightmost, which is the same how time works. This property of the for loop is perfect to work within the constraints of this problem. Set the variable lowest value equal to the value of the first element in the prices array. Create a maximum profit variable and set it to 0. This will be the initial profit, and if there's none to be made, it will be returned, which accommodates with the requirements of this question. Loop over the values in the prices array. For the current value, calculate if it is the lowest. If so, set it to the lowest value. The min function returns the minimum, the lowest value. To see if the lowest number and the current value is the number pair which has the greatest difference, subtract the lowest value from the current value of the iteration. Compare the current profit of this iteration to the maximum profit there is. The max function returns the maximum, the highest profit. The variable maximum profit is overwritten if the current number pair yields a greater profit. After the loop, return the maximum profit. If the algorithm didn't find any profit, it will return 0 because this is the start value of maximum profit. Now for the 2-pointer solution. Initialize a maximum profit variable. Create the left pointer which starts at a 0 and create the right pointer which starts at a 1. Loop over the elements until the rightmost pointer, the right pointer, reaches the length of the array. Write the maximum profit condition. If the difference of the current number pair is the greatest seen yet, overwrite whatever the maximum profit is. When the number at the left pointer is greater than the number at the right pointer, a new lowest number is discovered. Set the index of the left pointer to that of the right pointer. This ensures that each element is compared against the lowest number yet seen, until there is an even lower number found. After that, increment the right pointer so it doesn't compare itself. Both statements ensure the loop compares the minimum number of values possible. After the while loop, return the maximum profit. That's it. Bye.